Sound isn't only heard, it's something that moves matter. Lifevibe starts with sound, using a sonic wave transducer designed to materialize sound into vibration. It generates regular, continuous sonic waves within a controlled frequency range. These waves don't stay on the surface. They interact with the body through resonance rather than mechanical hitting. Traditional physical vibration relies on impact and repetition. Devices like massage guns create short, percussive force. Sonic vibration works differently. Lifevibe delivers energy as continuous sonic vibration, allowing it to travel through material in a different way. Different frequencies create different patterns of vibration, shaping how the body responds over time. This changes the body's overall response. Lifevibe includes traditional massage, but it goes further with vibroacoustic resonance. More than massage, Lifevibe. Resonate deeper.